In everything you do, I turn to you. Yeah. Oh. But for a heart I can't rely on through anything. For the one who I can run to, I turn to you. To keep me safe and warm. For the wheels to carry on. In everything you do, I turn to you.
All right, let us hear. But first, let me ask you, what was the feedback like on the streets after your performance last week?
Oh, you're the girl in the yellow dress. Yes.
Let's hear from the judges, starting with Conroy.
I like that. There are some very sweet moments. And I like that in your arrangement, you showed us the power in terms of what you were doing vocally. I liked it. I really did.
Anthony.
I thought there were highs and lows. You took some risks, and I think you'll survive to sing another day.
Elaine.
Great job. Every Sunday you're coming as a different flower. So last week you were a sunflower, now you're a rose. And I think that was a good job. You caressed the notes and you pulled back and you gave. And there was a little break in it, but it's fine because I could feel how real it was, and how passionate you are about singing. Good job, Donica. Good
Thanks,
job.
judges.